everyone, and welcome to our Monday Challenge Assembly. Now, this week is a very special week because it's Children's Mental Health Week, and we have lots of exciting things planned for the week. But let's talk a little bit about mental health, because remember, this year is the year of being healthy here at Newlands Primary School. And we've been looking at health of the mind and the body. And sometimes mental health actually includes both of them, both the mind and body. Now, this week we're going to be learning more about how to help make us more healthy, particularly with our minds. And I want to talk to you about what is mental health. This week is Children's Mental Health Week, and we're exploring the theme of growing together. Some growth is easy to see, like when we grow from babies to children, or when flowers grow in the spring. But other growth may be more difficult to spot. In fact, it might seem like we're not growing at all. Here we have a cross-section of a tree trunk. Do you see the rings? Each year, a tree grows a new ring. I want you to stop the video for a moment and see if you and the rest of the children in the class can count the rings of this tree and see how old it is. Some years trees grow a lot, making the rings clear to see. What kind of things do you think the tree would have had for it to grow so well? Sunlight? Rain? Warmth? Protection? Absolutely. However, some years it's really hard to see the rings. It's more difficult to see the clear growth in the trunk. What do you think might have stopped the tree from growing well? Maybe a lot of wind, too much rain, too much sun, pests, or maybe lack of protection. Each tree tells its own story about the weather and the conditions in each year of its growth. However, whether the conditions are good or bad, a tree still grows a new ring. Isn't that amazing? Just like trees and plants need support to help them grow, we need support to help us grow emotionally. We need our parents and carers, our teachers, our friends. We often need others to help us to believe in ourselves and to keep growing and to do things a bit differently. Sometimes we feel like we're growing and developing and doing really well. You might be really excited about what you've learned in school, or how well you've done on a test, or how you feel with your good friends. But then at other times, it may feel like we're not growing at all and developing. We might get upset because we're finding our schoolwork difficult, or we've fallen out with our friends. These feelings are very ordinary, and that even when we feel like things are not going right in our lives, we can continue to develop and grow, just like the tree can grow even when the conditions aren't right. I like this quote. Be like a tree, stay grounded, connect with your roots, turn over a new leaf, bend before you break, enjoy your unique natural beauty, keep growing. Now, I want you and the children in your class to stop the video and discuss for a moment. Do you see these large concentric circles? I want each of you to think for a moment and think of a couple of words about how you would like to grow in this coming week, in this coming term, in this coming year. Discuss it with your neighbor and talk to it with your class and your teacher. Lots of things for us to think about. Now this week we have lots that we're going to be doing. We're going to be having work around in your classes with mental health, but we're also going to be doing Safer Internet Day, because that also helps us to be happy and healthy when we are able to deal with the internet safer. We're also going to be having a Positive Post-it Day. That's on Friday. Some of you might remember Positive Post-it Days. And on a Positive Post-it Day, you're going to be thinking of some positive things about yourself and others. And we're going to be saying lots of lovely things about each other and ourselves and writing them on some Post-it notes that you're going to have in class and putting them all over. So some really positive messages that we're going to be sharing with everyone. And then also on Friday, really exciting, is Express Yourself Day. And you get to wear any clothes that you feel expresses yourself. It might be something that you want to be when you grow up. It might be how you're feeling. It might be special colors that you like. It doesn't matter. And it don't cost anything for you to do the day. Dress up, relax, and enjoy. Just remember, it's going to still be a bit cold, so make sure you wear something warm or dress in layers, okay? Because we want to keep you body healthy as well. Okay, everyone, a really big week ahead of us. I can't wait to see all the amazing things that you're going to be doing this week. Children's Mental Health Week. We can do this. Have a fantastic week. Bye.